In just 5 minutes, get that baby skin. Your skin will look like that of a baby. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified, okay? So just like you see from the title, yes, your skin will look very soft, smooth, and with no wrinkles. If you make use of this remedy, apply it in just 5 minutes. You will just notice instant results. The ingredients are skin friendly without any side effect. If you have sensitive skin, you can just try it somewhere else on any other part of the body. If there's any reaction, then you can discontinue. If there's no reaction, just go ahead and apply this. Just 5 minutes, you will see the result. With consistent use, you will not have wrinkles anymore. You will age less. You will just be glowing and glowing and glowing. So without wasting time, let me show you how to make this remedy for great results. So obtain that baby skin, vibrant skin, well moisturized, supple skin in just 5 minutes. You will need an empty bowl for mixing. The first ingredient you are going to use is cucumber. Cucumber is very good for the skin. It helps to slow down aging process. It contains the high amount of water and fiber it needs, helping to keep your skin supple, very fresh, and younger. So we are going to grate it. So what we have here is 1 tablespoon of cucumber. You have to make use of both the juice and the fiber, okay, just like this. The next ingredient we have here is rice powder. Rice is very important for the skin. It contains antioxidants that helps to slow down aging process by fighting free radical damage, making sure your skin ages slowly, okay? Aside that, it's going to keep your skin very soft, smooth, and fresh, just like a baby skin. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my rice powder, and this is enough. So the next ingredient I have here is baking soda, and baking soda is so nourishing. It helps to fight acne, smoothing the skin, gets rid of excessive oil on your skin, protect your skin from skin diseases like itchy skin and the rest. If you have a sensitive skin, you can just keep this. Do not use baking soda, or you can just apply it only on your body. Half tablespoon is all you need. So the next one is argan oil. Here is argan oil. If you do not have argan oil, you can make use of sunflower oil, you can make use of almond oil, or make use of vitamin E. This will help to get rid of aging skin. Make sure your skin is smooth and fresh. So I'll be adding half tablespoon. So after mixing everything together, I will transfer it into a bowl, a very clean one, to apply it. I'll go right now to show you how to apply it for effective results. So before applying this remedy, you have to wash the affected area. Use cleanser or a gentle soap to remove all makeups. Then go ahead and use either your hand or make use of a brush. Apply this treatment and scrub gently. Do not be harsh on your skin. Just be gentle. This is a very effective treatment that works effectively. You will get baby skin in just 5 minutes. Your skin is going to be soft, smooth, and with consistent use, you will not have any wrinkles, fine lines, and the rest. Your skin will get brighter, very clear and beautiful. So if you want immediate glow on your skin, just go ahead and apply this. After 5 minutes, wash it off. So I'm going to leave it on for some time, about 5 minutes, wash it off. I'll be right back. So as you are washing it off, remember to be scrubbing it like this. Be scrubbing it so that after rinsing it off, you will see that your skin will look very soft and smooth. So go ahead and make use of this 3 times weekly or 2 times weekly to obtain that younger look, to obtain that brighter and beautiful skin. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.